One of my little tasks to do is to fix my shower rack. The rollers up here. We hit enough rough roads evidently that this one right here separated. If you can see it, I'm on an angle here. Came away from the glass. Now I don't know if it goes, I think there's a screw on the inside. Probably under that black cap that unscrews that. So I'm going to have to find a replacement for this, and I may as well get 2 or 3. Might be able to use about any kind of roller. So I'm going to have to replace that one. See how it catches. I can't close it. I've got to really work this thing to get it to close right. So I think all you do is push down on this button, and that should release the door down there. I'll have to use 2 hands, so the door will push in a little bit, and then you just lift up on the whole panel and it comes out. So I'm going to have to take those and get that repaired. How that broke, I have no idea. So again, we must hit a pretty rough road. We found that the plastic, this stuff is kind of coming off, and we have to push it back in every now and then so it stays. There's another plastic one back here, and it comes off rather easily. So I may put a few spots of glue or something along there to hold that in place, because we're always coming back in here and pushing this back in. So other than that, no real problems in the bathroom. So it's just a continuing saga of things falling apart when you drive a lot and you're on bumpy roads. If you don't go more than 100 miles, 200 miles camping, park it, sit there for a week, you're not going to have these problems that I'm having. So this is all just part of battening down the hatches. Yeah, trying to get this door out of the way, and one thing I found out is when this little piece is down inside here, runs along this track, no matter if this thing is straight up and down as opposed to tilted one way or the other, doesn't matter how much you push on that button, you can't get it out. So there is a little hole, I'm looking upside down, little slot right here in the middle. So what I did was go ahead and take off the screw, and I don't want to lose that screw. And then I was able to pull this back just a little bit. Maybe that'll be a heads up not to glue this part. So now I'll just take the other one off down there. We'll take that one off. Then I can get to the top here, take the screw out, take that apart, and find out how to fix it or replace it. So, well, that took about 5 minutes to figure that out. All right. Well, I went ahead and ordered some new rollers for the shower, and I went ahead and just got 2 while I was at it. These are called a Prism top roller assembly. I ordered these from Hanna, H-A-N-N-A Trailer Supply. So they were $9.99 a piece, free shipping, no tax. And took 1 week, 7 days to get here. They sent them over post USPS. First class, took a little while to get, but that's okay. They filled the order fine, got it right away. As far as I'm concerned, I mean, I didn't have to have it right away. So we're going to go ahead and get these things installed. when you're putting this back in, we're going to go back in this hole right here. So rather than put that on here and then try to get this in, because this is very difficult to get in there, just go ahead and put it up in there first, like that. And then slide it on over, and we'll attach it that way. So you need to squeeze gently, because that's a pretty thin piece of plastic there. Spread it just slightly so you can get it in there. So I'll use 2 hands and just leave that in there, and then slide over and attach and put in the screw. Alrighty, got the screw in, and to do that I had to, the easiest way is just to take this little plastic sleeve off that goes right there. And then there's a little black button that comes with this, and you just snap that right back in over the top. So this one feels pretty secure, but I think I might take the screw off. Just make sure that it's not too, it's not loose or anything, but it's sliding now. So the next part is going to put the bottom pieces back on, the pins that hold it in place down there, and we'll be back in a second. Okay, I hope this comes out okay. Putting that bottom piece in is a bear, but if this back one, the one towards the back, if you take that plastic strip and pull it out a little, you can slide this one in much easier and then get it to go in. So just a quick tip. Of course, you're going to have to push those back in. Okay, so that was a bear until I figured that out. Okay, the final piece to the puzzle here. So this is the old broken one, and there's the piece I found out. I was putting these back together. And what you can do is, if you bring the door to, and the bottom hits, but there's that gap, what you can do is you can put a screwdriver into these screws right here. This is a regular Phillips head. You can raise it and lower it, and what that does is raise the entire shower side up or down until these are level and they come together. I was having a little bit of trouble, couldn't figure out why, and I was going to do this one. Lo and behold, that one's broke. That one's broke. You're kidding me. So it's a good thing I ordered 2 of these, because long ago, on a dark and stormy night, we found these on the floor, and I wondered where the heck they came from. There it is. Oh, crap. Okay, well anyway, I hope that helps. So I'm going to order at least 2 more, I think, and I might even order one of those bottom ones in case they break too. Just in case they're hard to find. So that's how you fix this rounded shower head. And those of you who have curtains, I'd really like to have one, but Linda said no. So I hope that helps out, guys. Thank you.